Man, I just like to snort the co-crucified cane. The co-crucified cane. Take that in my Bible. Make up a nice line. I thank it, Jesus. Uncut with religion.
Oh my God. We got a little bit of 1st and 2nd Peter here.
Oh, that's some good stuff.
It says, by these very great and precious promises, we may become partakers.
He leads me into green pastures.
The divine nature.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's getting out of hand here. It's getting out of hand. It's getting a little...
Oh man. The gospel's taking over.
Partake in divine nature.
Alright. Oh man, that is some good Shekinah.
For all of those of you out there.
You want to partake, just take it.
Dad, you have a black spot on your tooth.
The first one's free. And after that, they're all free.
Oh man, you're the Jack Daddy.